Alright guys, so it's been about 4 months now that ever since I tried to do the video for demystifying the FCP Euro free oil change and free lifetime replacement for all the parts, which went kind of sideways for me. It didn't turn out the way I wanted, but what I'm gonna do now, my car, after 4 months, is due for another oil change. I'm gonna go ahead and place another order for the oil only, or the oil kit, I would say, only. And then we're going to go ahead and see the return process for that part. So if this part here fails, the ones I just showed you earlier, that I could not finish because they lost package, so I'm just going to click here on the same order. It's going to bring you back to the same page, and I'm going to click over here again, and here it is. So, oh, it's about $6 more than the previous order. But that's alright because we're still gonna get our refund back. So, and here at the bottom you can see what the kit comes with. So the engine oil filter, which is a Mali, that's a very good one. The oil drain plug gasket, which is Victor Orion's. That's an okay. It's not, I mean, top of the line, but that's also really good. Then we got engine oil, 4 little ones and 1 big one, which makes up to 9 cores in total. And both of them are liquid moly, which is a really good brand for me at least. So alright, we'll go ahead and add to cart. We'll go to cart, begin checkout, just verify my address, which looks fine, so I'm going to continue. And I'm going to go with the economy delivery, which is $0. Going to hit continue. And I'm going to do a PayPal. And there it is. Once this order arrives, I'm going to change the oil again. I'm going to refill the bed oil into the bottles, and I'm going to do the same process that I tried to do before they lost my package. So we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so I finally got good news. It finally happened. So here we go again. I ordered this on November 6th, and as you can see, it's 97.80. That's including shipping. So remember, it's like 7 something for shipping. And I paid with PayPal, so I have to go back to the PayPal transactions. And as you can see right over here, the $89.72 got refunded back from FCP Euro, or in this case FCP Groton LLC. They actually refund you the money for buying oil. I mean, that's just awesome, guys. That's awesome. And it also went to my bank here same day. So hands down, I think this company really cares about the customers, and they really keep the word as far as refunds. So I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.